this is it. You open this lens filter and rinse it out. Softener. So this is where your softener should go in. And maybe want to press something or something, nothing will work because it actually affected the child lock. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Amara here. So today I'm going to be showing you how to use this Hisense Bubble Clean 8 kg top loader washing machine. The particular specification is the WTJA802T type of washing machine. Okay, then let's head right into washing our clothes. So we're going to start washing our clothes. I've got some light colored clothes here, and first things first, you pull out your detergent box and put your detergent here. This part is for liquid detergent. If you are using liquid detergent, then this is where you should pour it. It should stop at this particular level. Then the type of detergent, if you are going to use any detergent, powdered or liquid, make sure the detergent is for an automatic washing machine. So I've done a prior measurement of my detergents, and I know the certain level that I need for an 8 kg washing machine. So I'm going to put it here in the box and push it in. For my softener, this place is actually indicated. Don't know if you can see it. Can you see it is indicated softener? So this is where your softener should go in. For an 8 kg washing machine, I've done the measurement with the cap of the softener, and I'm going to be pouring it into this very place. So once you're done with that, once you're done putting your softener, it's now time to put on the power button. You start by pressing the power button, and then I like to go for the default setting, which is the fuzzy, and I'm just going to come here and press the program. You see that it has other types of programs, but myself, I prefer it has fuzzy, jeans, quick, delicate, rinse plus spin, heavy, favorite, eco, baby, top clean, but I like to go with the fuzzy, you understand? So just select any one here, and it already has automatic settings for water level, wash time, rinse time, spin time. It's going to set it up automatically. So once I press this start button, it's going to weigh the clothes. It's going to turn the clothes around, and once it determines the weight, it picks the time set for it, and it also automatically picks a water level, and then the water will start coming through this spot. But I just remembered I've not put on my water. So once it has picked the water level and everything, the water will start coming through that detergent box. So once it gets to the water level that it has picked, it will then start washing. So it has started washing. What I realized is that, for instance, when I picked the fuzzy program, it gave me a water level of 10, which is like the highest. And some of us, you might not want to use that quantity of water. So even when it picks a program for you, you can come over here and adjust the water level. So myself, even though it picked level 10 for me, I felt that it was taking too much water. Then I came here and adjusted it. And once I adjusted it, it started washing. So take note of that. When you feel that you've gotten enough water, come over here and adjust your water level. But it shouldn't be that low if you have plenty clothes. If you have plenty clothes, you should be looking at 7 or 8 thereabouts. So once it's done with washing and gone to spinning or so, I'll continue. So now it's rinsing. It's rinsing. You see that the time has gotten to 25 minutes. So it's on rinse now, and I can decide to adjust the water level here. Let me see if I can adjust the water level. So you can always adjust your water level if you are trying to conserve your water. I just changed the water level to 4 now, and because it has already gotten to that point, since it has already gotten to that point, it started immediately. So that was one of the things I've learned. Just drained out the water. And the spin has started. The spin has started. So this is the second rinse. After spinning it that very first time, that was the first rinse. This is the second rinse for this particular fuzzy setting. So I can decide to just select a lower water level so you can start the process faster. So I can take it to 3. So it's a lower water level. Once it gets to level 3, to start spinning again to finish up. Now I can decide to hold this rinse and spin button for 3 seconds at the same time. If I don't want my kids to come here and start pressing things, I can disable the whole buttons. It's called child lock. Child lock. So I can just hold the both of them down. So it's now effective. Child lock is effective. So all the buttons here cannot be tampered with. That's if your child comes here and maybe wants to press something or something, nothing will work because it actually affected the child lock program.
Out the water.
Yes, it's draining out the water.
Okay, the dirty water.
Yes, it's draining out the water. So it's going to be time for the last spin. Once it's done the last spin, that will be the end of the wash program. So the washing has come to an end. So you would notice a blip. The number gets to 00, and then you hear like a jingle. You would see, if you check my first video, you would see the whole jingle sound and the numbers. So I just met it when it was doing it. I couldn't capture that. So this is what it looks like when you're done washing. So you can see that everything is just damp, water drained out, and we've got our clean clothes. Yep. On how to use the Hisense Bubble Clean Top Loader 8 kg washing machine. Is the particular type is called the WTJA802T Hisense washing machine. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye. Another thing, part of maintenance, after you've emptied the tub, you can leave it open, leave the tub open for an hour or so for it to get aerated and all that. And make sure you open the lint. This is it. You open this lint filter and rinse it out before your next wash. Yeah, bye guys. There are some maintenance tips that I want to show you that will be very useful for you. So we have it in a toilet area. This is like a guest toilet, so it's quite dry and not in use every time. So that's what you should do. You should put it in a dry place and connect your water. There's 2 inlets for hot. There's the one for hot water, and then there's the one for cold water. So for us, we just fixed only the cold water. Now there are certain things that you should be doing. Sometimes you just put off the water flow from wherever I connected it. Some people connect it directly to a faucet, but myself, I connected it to this beneath this place. Don't know if you can see it here. So this is where we connected the water the clean water, right? That's where we connected it. So under this wash, what's this called? This place where you get to brush your teeth here. So we disconnected the water flow to it and connected it to the washing machine. So, and then this is the drainage pipe. So the drainage pipe comes from here, and we fixed it to this place where the water is to drain from before. So we just fixed it up there. So in my first video, someone was asking me when should I put the drainage pipe down. I said you should always have it fixed. It should always be attached and connected to a place where you can easily drain it out. So it depends on your toilet, how your toilet or wherever you fix it depends on how it is. Now, sometimes when you're using this washing machine, it will give you some error signs, such as the E1 error signs. So when you see something like that, you can decide to unlock this inlet pipe and use a chisel or something to use something like a chisel to pull out this filter and brush it or clean it, then fix it again. So if you've been having that issue of E1 error signs or E4, something like that, these are the things that you can just check. You can just open this pipe and use a brush, something like a brush. I have an old brush here. Brush it out under running water to clear off the whatever that might be stuck there or blocking it. So another maintenance tip for this type of top loader Hisense washing machine is to always clean up this particular area. So you see where it is. This is where this particular net, what it does is to gather the dirt, the particles of dirt or dust on your clothes. So it gathers them here. So if you want to, you need to, after washing, you need to open it, press this button like this, press it, then you pull it out. Then you see all the particles that it has gathered in the net. So all you're going to do is to take it out, rinse it. You see that you can open it from here, then take out the net and wash it. So I'm going to be doing that now. After washing it, I'll come back here and fix it. Then it's ready to be used. So I've washed it. I've washed the lint filter. It's called the lint filter. So we'll fix it back here. So our lint filter is back.